Hello, Spencer with Townline Equipment. Almost all of our Kubota equipment comes to us crated. Today we're going to show you a video of assembling a special B2320 narrow tractor. So whether we are building a Grand L with a loader and a front snowblower, or an M series with just a loader and chains, or a B series like you saw in this video, once it's completed, we like to have you to the shop to go through your equipment with one of our certified technicians. If this video has generated questions, please reach out to us at 603-675-6347. For more videos like this, please visit us at Facebook or YouTube. Townline Equipment.